Every team has the same problem. The meeting ends and the useful context disappears. I built MeetMind to fix that. You give it a meeting recording or a transcript and it turns that conversation into summary, actions, speaker insights, and an audio recap. Let's try. First, drop your meeting. I have some samples to test. Test audio, process meeting. And here's the magic begins. This is the core of the product. If the input is audio, Whisper handles transaction. If it's transcript text like this sample, we skip straight to analysis. Then BG large chunks the meeting and creates embeddings for each segments. This gives us a semantic index of the conversation, which is what powers grounded retrieval later. Next, DeepSeek R1 generates structured meeting output. This important thing is that it's not just a blob of text, it's organized into useful sections that the UI can act upon it. After that, Llama 3.3 builds the speaker breakdown so we can identify who contributed what and what each person committed to. And at last, the Coca-Cola text-to-speech converts the meeting recap into audio, so the result is not just readable but listenable. So the pipeline is transcription, embedding, structure generation, speaker analysis, and text-to-speech. Five models, one workflow, all through Oxlow. That's yeah. Meeting has been processed. The overview has been generated. Now below are the tasks that are Llama model defined, and on the speakers tab each participant gets a breakdown of their contributions and commitments, and on ask anything I can ask a natural question like can you summarize the key decision from this meeting, and in a no time it will provide us with that. Yeah, the key decision from the meeting are sending the artifact and proceeding with the first CD project. And here in this section, we can also hear the meeting summary that our Coca-Cola TTS generated. And at last, MeetMind is a live open source meeting intelligence product built in Oxlow's API. It doesn't just record meetings, it makes them usable, searchable, and actionable. Thank you.